Hello everyone, welcome everybody to our YouTube channel. Today I discuss about a topic of chemistry that is periodic table. In this video I discuss about basically history of periodic table, how periodic table is formed, what is the history of periodic table. Okay. Before start the video, I request you, if you are new in our channel, please like, comment and subscribe this channel for upcoming videos. Okay. This video is the history of periodic table by Chem Zenith. So, please the video view detail and completely. So, all the information about this video we will get now. Please look at the screen carefully and continue our seeing this video slide by slide. Okay. First of all, in around 330 BC, the first scientist, whose name is Aristotle, give the idea about periodic table. Basically, he classified the entire element in our earth or surrounding in four categories, that is earth, fire, water and air. See the screen, the picture by Aristotle. Aristotle first scientist who also classified of elements in our earth is mainly four category. Okay. After that, another scientist, that is Antony Lavoisier, in the year of 1770 to 1789, the scientist wrote the list of element containing 33 elements distinguished between metal and non-metal. Okay. The second scientist, that is Antony Lavoisier, is also classified the elements around 33 elements and also distinguish metal and non-metal. So, this is the second scientist who idea about the elements or classification of elements. After that, J.J. Berzelius, another scientist on chemistry, in 1828 developed a table of atomic weight. We know that in the very much year ago, first of all atom are discovered, after that atomic mass and their element were discovered. So, Berzelius developed a table of atomic weight introducing letter of symbolize of elements. The element symbol and atomic weight are introduced by Johannes Jakob Berzelius. Okay. This is also basically base of contribution to our periodic table. After that, the first scientist who is idea about classification element or giving the basic theory of this classification element, that is John Dauvergne, and this law or this theory is called Dauvergne triads. Okay. Dauvergne develops in 1829 develop a triad group of three element with similar properties. According to their property, Dauvergne classify the element and consists of a triad. Triad means the group of three elements. These elements are lithium, sodium, potassium, first triad. Second is calcium, strontium, barium. The third is chlorine, bromine and iodine. In that way, he classifies the element in the form of triads. He also contribute very small time or many small elements which discovered in this arrangement. Okay. After that, another scientist, that is John Newlands, it is known as elements of less than 60 were arranged in order of atomic weights. We already discussed Berzelius introduced atomic weight and a symbol of the element. In the atomic weight, this concept used Newland and arrange the element in a tabular manner by less than 60 up to 40 elements something, and this observes similar between the first and ninth element. According to their law, every element is similar property in their ninth position. That means first 80 elements, after that continue this series after 80 elements. Okay. He proposed the law of Octavius. So, first 80 after 80 elements, every element will come with similar property than 1, 2, then continue. Okay. This law is called Newland's law of Octavius. Okay. Similar between the first and ninth element, the second and 10th, etc. Continue, so on. Okay, see the screen carefully. At any point you any doubt in your mind, please pause the video and read the screen in your language in the theory and immediately read it. Okay, then continue. After that, another scientist, that is Loth Mayer, in 1869 completed a periodic table of 56 elements based on the periodicity properties, that is such as molar volume when arranged in the atomic weights. Okay, the scientist Loth Mayer composed a periodic table based on the properties of periodicity such as molar volume, atomic weights, etc. Okay, up to 56 elements. In the Newland discovered 40 elements. After that, Loth Mayer discovered 56 elements composed a periodic table. After that, the very long time of the periodic table considered the research. Finally, the scientist Dmitry Mendeleev in 1869 proposed a table, produced a table based on the atomic weight, but arranged the periodically with the elements with similar properties under each. So, finally, the arrangement of elements in occur tabular form by D. Mendeleev. The gap were left in the elements were unknown that time, and the properties predict element in the gallium, scandium and germanium. Look at this. The second point is gap. At the discovery of element in Mendeleev's, the unknown element which is not discovered at that place is gap is considered. Okay, and the properties of this gap element which shown as gallium, scandium, germanium in that. The order of element was rearranged in the form properties of dedicated it. So, this gap element properties also determine the properties of gallium, scandium and germanium. After that, another scientist who discovered noble gas, that is called William Ramsay, in 1894 discovered noble gases. Okay, see the picture of William Ramsay. After that, finally we come to modern periodic table, which is discovered by Henry Moseley in 1913. Determine the atomic number of each element. Mendeleev's is considered according to the atomic weight, but in the after discover atomic number, mass number, so Henry Moseley considered the atomic number of each element and arranged the element in a tabular form. He modified the periodic law in read the properties of element very periodically with the atomic number. 1914 predict there were 3 unknown elements were aluminum and gold, between aluminum and gold. Okay, concluded there only 92 elements up to including uranium. So, Henry Moseley discovered 92 elements up to uranium. After that, 1940, another scientist Glenn Seaborg synthesized transuranic element, the element after uranium, the periodic table also part of the actinides. Okay, so actinoid discovered by Glenn Seaborg. So, in that way, and finally, we in the modern periodic table we will found 7 horizontally row called period and 18 vertical column called group. In the modern periodic table, the elements are arranged in the form of atomic number, though there are 7 row, 7 period and 18 group in the modern periodic table. And finally, there are 18 elements in the present time. In between them, 17 elements are non-metal and 8 elements metalloid, and rest 93 elements are metal. So, metal number is very high. So, finally, the lastly modern periodic table considered by father is Henry Moseley. After that, in presently, last 3 elements at the numbers 1116, 1117, 1118 element were discovered by 2014-15. Okay, so this is the brief history of modern periodic table. I hope this video is helpful for your knowledge in chemistry. So if you appreciate our video, please like, comment and subscribe this channel and share in your each and every chemistry student who want to this video and know this fact about the periodic table. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please continue, keep learning, work hard. Thank you.